morning. Welcome to Concordia. I am Dr. Amit Rangnekar. We'll start with the national anthem. Please rise for the national anthem.
Jana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Vanga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchala Jaladhi Taranga Tava Shubha Name Jage शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
So we'll start off with the agenda. I'll just run through the agenda in 2 minutes so that we are clear on what lies ahead. It's on your table. Okay. So we'll first start off with the inauguration of the ceremony by the Honorable Founder and Managing Director. Then we'll have sessions from our team right up to around 10:30 or so. Then we'll have a group photo. Group photo would be here only. So we'll have to accommodate that. We'll make the necessary arrangements with the tea break. That would be around 10:30 to 11. From around 11 o'clock, we will have an open house, which will be discussions with all of you. We'll have specific topics. After that, we'll break for lunch. Then post lunch, we'll have the awards. So the grand awards would follow that. So around by 4:30, we hope to end the show. Okay, since we have started around 25-30 minutes, there was a delay of 30 minutes. We'll shorten the lunch time by 15 minutes. So instead of 1 hour, we'll have it for 45 minutes. Okay, thank you. And one most important arrangement announcement is after this the valedictory, we'll be having a short break, and 5:30 we'll have to assemble in the lobby for the cruise. Okay, so we'll have to leave one bus at a time. The bus is parked around a kilometer from here, so we'll have to tell them and they'll be in time. So we'll have to have in lots of 35. There are 5 buses, so 25:30 we'll release them. So we'll have to be ready by 5:30 or so, please, so that we release them. And the same people who board the bus, return bus also, the same bus should be boarded for logistical purpose. So we are very clear. So bus number 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll make a list who's boarding that. Return bus also kindly board the same bus. So there can be a proper head count. Okay. Thank you. So may I please invite Mr. Sawant, Founder, Managing Director, to inaugurate the conference. I would also like to invite our very senior stockist, Mr. Ipari Raghav Rao, to also help him inaugurate, as also Mr. Austin D'Souza from Mangalore. These are the senior most stockists amongst all of us. So ladies and gentlemen, please give them a big hand. May I please request Founder and Managing Director Mr. S.G. Sawant to give the inaugural address. Thank you.
Friends, especially our business partners who have come out all the way for this meet, Centurion colleagues and friends. I'm very happy to mention you, this particular meet was specially organized for our business partners, our stockists, who are our big link and responsible for today's growth. Of course, we could not accommodate all of them, but at some stage, we have to decide the numbers. And please note, it has been done with a very scientific way by statistical details, giving some scores. There is no bias, there should not be any misunderstanding, and anybody in the statistical methods have been somehow been dropped or not called. We apologize and please convey it to them. They are with us and we are with them. Now, coming back to the small brief, details will be told about the company's infrastructure by Dr. Amit, marketing strategy by Mr. Hander, and regarding our international business by Dr. Smita. Coming back to me, I have only been little disturbed yesterday night, only because my partner, Mr. Rangnekar, is not amongst us to see this success of a company started by the first generation. Equally true is one more colleague of mine who was all the time in the manufacturing, is Mr. Padagaonkar. We three of us have put up this structure about 40 years back, purely as a self-employment, because not as a business structure. It was never designed, but pure accident that we were I was myself quite young enough when I left my previous employment. I always thought if couple of companies in Bombay could come out now. I remember one or two examples. The company started by a retired man at the age of 60, 65. He is today Japan's #1 company. So that history, I read it about 40 years back, and I thought it's never too late. So today we have grown, the details of the growth, national structure, international structure, and infrastructure. It will be explained to you by my other colleagues. And I think I once again take this opportunity and emphasize it is but for you and your support. And that is why specifically underline, you are not just visitors nor the guests, but our business partners. That is, in any business, logistically and administratively, is the link from the representatives to the managing director, from the chemist to the logistic department, factories. But any link is weak. It always affects the total line. So, and lastly, I always tell in my address or whenever I meet, stockist or what you call the C&F today, even though logistically C&F is our own depot, but still it has been owned, it has been operated, and all other supports is the C&F that gives us. And it is this C&F personnel or a person in charge, as well as stockists, the owners or the partners who are actively involved, are ears and eyes of Centaur. Please remember that we feel they will be always neutral. They are not our employees. They are their own self. And if they could give a proper communication, the success is always there from the management. So please remember this. You are not only the stockists or distributors of C&F, you are a part and parcel of Centaur family. This is all that I can express. And once again, thank you all that you have come to Goa, supposed to be a tourist destination. And monsoon is a time, even when it rains, you may not be in a position to see the total scenario, but it's very lush green. It's an excellent place. We have been working here for the last 40 years. In spite of the torrential rains, everybody is happy. With this, I will end so that I can be brief in this inauguration. We can always meet. In future, I hope that we have more opportunities for bringing better and bigger gatherings. And thank you very much once again. Thank you.
We have a special award for a special person. He would be completing more than 3.5 decades this year. He's a person who connects with all of you, in fact, much more than any of us here. He waits every day, every closing. He's there till 1 o'clock in the office, alone, discussing with all of you, facilitating, enabling orders, ensuring that all tasks are fulfilled. We would like to bestow a special Distinguished Service Award for Distribution Excellence through the hands of the founder and managing director, Mr. Sawant, on Mr. Sanjay Shinde, DGM Distribution. Thank you, Mr. Sawant, for the keynote address. For the inaugural address, may I please request Mr. Anda to give his keynote address. Mr. Anda has been associated with Centaur for 3 decades now. He's Mr. Centaur for all of us. Build Sinares, build the Octarens, build Kafares. So over to Mr. Anda.
On the right. Right. What do you say?